Hey guys, back for another Mailday Wednesday. Let's see what we have today. These things are starting to come in now. So once again, I want to thank you guys. It's quite overwhelming to have this much of a reach around the world to do such a project. Now there's 9 boxes here. I don't want to blabber on too much, so I'm going to start opening these and see what's in them. Trusty knife. I got this from USA, by the way, when I was in Hollywood. So I'm thinking I'm removing this wooden stuff here and customizing it. Self-addressed envelopes. 2. No, that's fine. Also, ooh, stickers are ready. Check it out. It's gonna look absolutely awesome. They're limited edition just for people who are participating in this particular project. I will have normal stickers as well, but little surprise. I spoke to Magic Goo. They came in here yesterday and now they're also sponsoring the channel. And we've decided that they're gonna hand me over a couple of 100 samples, Magic Goo samples. So I'll be including a sample in each and every letter I send back out. Dear Joe, I'd like to thank you for being such an honest, critical, thinking, fun, and easygoing guy. Thanks, buddy. Really, in this day and age, we need persons like you way more. Thank you so much, dude. This mural community idea is one of those things an awesome person like you would think of. Actually, to be fair, it's you guys that thought of this. I'm just along for the ride and I think it's an awesome idea. When starting my 3D printer hobby 2 months ago, wow, that's quite early. I already looked through heaps of information online and yes, came across all the loud channels, many of which gave me the advice that this sub $200 printer was the very best ever. Luckily, I never subscribed to any of them until I found yours, and via yours, all the other great ones. 3D Printing Nerd, Tom, etc. Awesome dude. So here's part number 9 or 6. I'll figure it out, I guess. I was thinking of maybe sanding it a bit. No sanding. I want it all as natural as it comes out. It's printed in Filamentum Ruby Red. I love Filamentum Ruby Red. Wicked. This is definitely well packed. Very well packed. This is gorgeous. I think this is part number 9. This is a really nice print. This is a really nice print. Well done. I forgot to check the name. Vincent Gronwald. Thank you very much. I'll send you the sticker and the sample of Magic Goo shortly. Number 2. This one is from the UK. And I know it's from the UK and I know who it's from because the dude tweeted it out and I saw it. So we have very important Haribos. Hi Joe, enclosed Malta part number 4 and stamped address envelope minus the stamp, but if you could so you can get one. Thank you very much, dude. I have also supplied some Haribo goodness for you. Kind regards, Richard Burke. So thank you very much, Richard. There's no need to get any stamps. There's no need to send money. I'll cover the shipping charges for any post, so don't worry about it. It's the least I can do. So thank you very much. So we have the self-addressed envelope and the part. Ooh, this is part number 4. Once again, an epic print. Cool. Next up is from Portugal. Ooh. Ooh, fun goodies in here. Yeah! Hello Joe, I'm glad you received my package and I'm happy to participate in the 3DMN mural event. My name is Paulo and I'm from Portugal. We already chat on social media. Of course I know who you are, Paulo. Let me thank you for the awesome work. It's been many entertaining hours. So much fun. Looking back when you started with the Attn A8. Oh, that was 100 years ago. At least that's what it feels like. And looking at you now, I can imagine that it's been a hell of a journey for you. I'm happy that you find something that you like to do. In the package you have a little souvenir from my country and my YouTube channel's tag. I hope you like it. Happy making, all the best. So we have a tag. Ooh, this is so cool. So you have the YouTube kind of banner here and then the channel logo on the other side. This is really cool. These are the things I wish I thought of. We have, ooh, Portugal. Woohoo! This is so cool. Shame they didn't make it to the finals in the World Cup. This would come in handy. But awesome, man. Thank you very much. I'm going to treasure all these. Now, for the parts. Ooh, big parts. Happy making. I wish you all the best. Paula, Portugal. Awesome. Part number 50 also here. Wicked. Forgot to mention, I'm writing down the country each part came from. So when I'm putting them on, like it's going to be awesome. So this is from UK as well. We have the self-addressed envelope. Ooh. Squishies! Drumstick squishies! There's a white part. I'm noticing that I've only got one white part. This is the second white part. Printed with technology outlet PLA 1.75mm white, sliced and simplified 3D with your settings. Oh, on an ANET A8. Stock after Y belt tensioner. Let's see. Ooh, very nice. Actually, those are really clean layer lines. Part number 118. Second white part to make it. This was from Tony Humblestone. Thank you very much, Tony. The sticker and Magical are on the way. Next part comes from Netherlands again. I've noticed that I have a lot of packages from Netherlands. I like how sealed this is. Oh, of course. See, the rest of the world you'd have to send Haribo, but if you're from the Netherlands, you send these gorgeous beauties. Stroopwafels. I love these. This is awesome. Thank you. Let me see who I'm saying thank you to. I don't have the full name, but it's Bina, the Netherlands. Thank you very much, E. And the part, another red part. Part number 73. This looks awesome. Thank you very much. Thank you so much, dude. Next, another one from the Netherlands. Hi Joe, in this box you will find two versions of number 105. One is sliced and simplified 3D with the OS layer height and top bottom layers. The other one is slicer 1.4 with layer height of 0.15 millimeters. Both were printed with my Mark III, material Polymaker Polymax PLA. Print time 4 hours and 10 minutes. I hope it fits and please let me know which one you will use or like the most. Quite curious for the final result. Enjoyed the printing and your idea that will be long time visible on your YouTube channel. Awesome. Job Welling, thank you very much. Let's see which one we'll choose. I have a feeling I know, but all right. Oh, this looks much cleaner. Obviously, yeah. This is the 1.5 millimeter version, the 0.15 layer height. Obviously, the tops look, it just feels much smoother, much cleaner. The reason why I specified 0.20 layer height is because I didn't want you guys to spend too much time printing. But yeah, 0.15, definitely the winner. Thank you very much, Job, or Yop. All right, thank you. Stickers, Magigo, on the way. Next is also from the UK. Let's see if I can open this. Ooh, no. This is nice packaging. Printed with PLA on the JG Aurora A5. Only been printing a month. Love the show. Hope it's doing good enough for Milo. Dean Kinsley Sides. Dean Kinsley Sides. You forgot your self-addressed envelope. No worries. No, you have the address here. That's fine. I'll get you the sticker. This is really nicely packed there. And this is the part number. It's either 99 or 66. I'll figure it out. Awesome. Thank you very much. Another red part. I wonder where the white parts are coming. This one is also from the UK. Oh, okay. 124. Piece number 124. I know where this goes. This is in Gozo on the map. And I know because there's an embossment here, and that's the George Cross. This is cool. 124. There's no notes or no letter, but I'll find who the person is. Because I have no return address, nothing. So I'll find who the person is, I'll ask you for your address, and I'll send you the stuff over. Thank you very much, dude. And last but not least, this is from Germany. And it's quite heavy. I get worried when it's heavy. I also need a better knife. Whoa, whoa. Okay, so they have Haribos. More Haribos. More Haribos. Oh, we have soft yogurts. Dude, I love these. I absolutely love these. Every time I go to Germany and I find a vending machine, this is the first thing I buy. I absolutely love these. Thank you very much. Oh, and Ritter Sports. Oh, I love Ritter Sports. Ritter Sports. So if you're ever in Berlin, there's a Ritter Sport shop there where you can actually make your own Ritter Sport. You choose the ingredients and they'll do it there and then just wait for it for a few minutes and then take it. And last time I went there, I did mine with butterscotch cookies and chili, and it was absolutely delicious. Part number 80, and we have €2. There's no need to send money for post. I've put in some money, hope that you could buy a sticker. Don't worry about it. Thank you very much. So this is from Jonathan. His Instagram is Jadawa2018. Dear Joe, first of all, thank you for making so awesome quality content, being such a great maker in the community. You have helped me choose a printer up to choosing what filament is best to use, and best of all, we always could trust your opinion. Thank you very much. I really try to always give you guys my honest, unbiased opinion as much as I humanly possibly can. And now to the mural. We have all been waiting for it. It was printed on my Unit A8 with PLA from Das Filament. As I did not have enough packaging material, the next best thing to use were Haribos and sweets. So it's your cue to start making some cool stuff. Haribo dispenser machine. Awesome. Jonathan, thank you very much, buddy. Thank you so much. This is absolutely awesome. I don't know how to thank you guys for being a part of this. I cannot begin to explain to you how humbling of an experience to get such a response from someone who comes, I'm just this little guy from this, not so little, but I'm just this guy from this tiny island in this tiny room, and I have my camera and I have you guys, and it's just humbling and mind-blowing. So I'm really grateful, and I'm really happy that I'm doing this project, that I can include you guys. So thank you very much for participating. So make sure you follow me on Twitter. I will keep on updating photos with all the parts that arrive, and then we'll eventually, when I have enough, I'll start putting them on the table so you guys can see exactly where we're at. In the meantime, that is it for today. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for your contributions and the awesome candy. Hope you like, share, subscribe, and as always, happy making, guys.